Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your IT administrator has limited access pop-up that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to point out is that if you are coming across this on a work or school account, that is a very common reason you would be coming across this issue, in which case you'd have to contact your IT support if you wanted to have a specific program installed or removed. There really isn't much we can do about that. You do not want to be installing stuff on your school or work computer if your IT administrator doesn't want you to, and they can track all of that information as well. So just don't even bother continuing with this tutorial if that is your case. However, if you're using a personal computer and you're coming across this error message, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully troubleshoot it, because then in that case it would have come up in error, and then we can actually go about resolving the problem. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now select file, export, file name, name this the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to restore the registry, you would select file and then import and then navigate to that file location. So now once you've made a backup, we're ready to begin. So open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have several different registry values in the description of the video. So go ahead and copy the first one. They all start with reg delete, by the way. So that's how you can kind of separate them all. And then just go ahead and copy them each one at a time. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt after copying each individual one. You can right click edit and then paste it in. Or you can just do Control V to paste them in here as well. So if you get any error messages, you can ignore specific ones if you're just coming across a few of them here. And like I said, just go down the list and just paste them in. I'm doing Control V to paste them in, so you're not seeing me do right click and then edit and then paste. It's just quicker to use keyboard shortcuts, but sometimes from a visual perspective, it's better to actually show the actual process of using a mouse. So it says delete the registry value, disable anti-spyware, tap the Y key and hit enter. And then you want to keep going here. So basically that disable anti-spyware, that's a common key that might actually be blocking Windows security. So that creates systems in the registry, and by deleting it, you're re-enabling Windows security. So if anyone was curious what that one was. So you can see most of them completed successfully or partially successfully. Once you're done going down the list, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.